Hey guys, let me know if you hear the squealing noise on this one. I cannot hear it for the life of me, but maybe it's just due to the age of my ears. Here, let me turn it on. I'm going to move it around the bot as I do this, so maybe it'll pick up the sound. Anybody hear anything? All right, thanks.